Hello, for the purpose of showing Ernst Haeckel in Ceylon in modern times video quality, I have to make the equipment, and today I will start to make the boots. You see he has some very high reaching boots, so-called hunting boots. He said Jagdstiefel. These boots were also used in the army by some cavalry units in those days, so they were pretty common for riding personnel. Hunters and fishermen also even had higher ones. Fishermen, even on ships, were using very high boots to protect their legs from the fish and whatever they walked through. Now, making these boots in Ceylon, today's Sri Lanka, is not that easy because they are not available anyhow. So in Europe, you would find some of these still in some military antique shows for maybe 200 euros, old ones, original ones. But now we are here, so let's make some ourselves. So we can see the front side is very smooth. That is a cow leather. It looks too straight now. It has to be worked. Once we have sewn this together on the back side here, so the sieving will be done, that there will be put a stripe of leather in the back and two lines of stitches left and right. That is the easiest way. We don't need to bend this leather because some higher quality boots would definitely have still this one. Maybe we'll do it too, I don't know. So that it would be first sewn like this and then still the double leather on top. That would be military grade quality of those 19th century boots, but I think we're gonna just do it like this for the video. Will be enough to step through the jungle once in a while. This should be done like this, and then here will be the leather with to there. That's still visible. Now you can see the shape of the boot already appearing. Luckily we are not anymore so far from the dream to have Haeckel boots in Ceylon, a spa. And you see the shape also, which is more high in the front to protect the knees, and here the back is lower so that the leg can actually fold without getting the venal flow strangled, because if you have boots which are too high behind, you won't be bending your legs very long because it's going to be very painful. So this is the inside of the boot. Later we can make it look nice, but it will not be visible on the video anyhow. The shape is a little bit maybe still too straight. See that shape on the back. The original boots would be a little bit going this way. I can still speak with the bootmaker. Maybe we cut a little bit there so that they look more elegant. Now the plan here, this is going on the front of an existing boot, and the plan is actually not to make 100% copies just from the distance, because if we add a strap here and a buckle, it's going to serve basically the main purpose, but we don't need to sew this on a boot. We will just use them like boot half. I mean, you can just stick them on top of the boots and your trousers and you'll have the same protection, except that leeches will be able to enter from the bottom, which was a problem. Haeckel described that leeches were climbing up his boots and going inside his legs, inside his trousers here, and he was putting a special chemical on this level on his boots so that the leeches will be stopped. So that he's describing this in his Reisebriefe, and because he's mentioning his boots in his Reisebriefe, we need to have them, of course. So let's go further step by step. This is the video only about this part now. So the first part was, of course, to cut a piece of leather into a big skin, large size skin. You buy this in Sri Lanka in the shop. I make another video about that when I bought it. Today is just about showing how we actually start to do something more serious beside cutting, and now I'm grinding that leather to make it more thin, to make it more flexible. Maybe when it will be wet, I'll still look on YouTube, maybe some people give advice what to do next.